Didier Drogba, mesdames, messieurs.
I didn't expect that, and really I want to say thank you because you made me feel at home like from the first second that I landed in Montreal, so thank you very much. The superstar is only the way people look at you, but in the dressing room we're all the same. I played with Frank Lampard, John Terry, and I played against big players, Steven Gerrard, Andrea Pirlo, and they're all simple guys. So we are human beings, and all I can do, all I can try to do is to give back to those people, those players who want to learn, and I think I'm going to learn also from them.